A little bit of convection with the growing clouds today and that low nearby, but that's moving away. So we'll be rain-free coming up tomorrow. It's going to start to feel a little bit more warm, humid, summer-like tomorrow. Now, as we turn our attention out west, this is a developing cold front. You see a couple of yellow boxes there indicating severe thunderstorms. By the time it reaches us on Friday, we can see a couple of strong storms as well. So there goes that upper level low. Again, no rain chances tomorrow. Maybe a little patchy fog in the morning as we're getting that south wind. Sea breeze will be evident tomorrow. It will be warmer inland, and the humidity is starting to trail in as we head into the day on Friday. Cold front is approaching. I think most of the day is going to be okay. It's really going to be after about 4 o'clock where we need to turn our attention and our eyes to the sky and watch for those billowing clouds and the possibility for incoming showers and thunderstorms. These could contain some really torrential rain out there. It is, though, going to get rid of the humidity once it passes at some point late Friday night into very early Saturday morning. Could be a couple of clouds hanging on. Notice the dry air coming in here. Now, there's actually a low that's going to be passing offshore. That could suck some of the energy out of this cold front here. You're actually going to see it coming to the screen here. We've cut it a little short here, but it could also be the reason we see a few extra clouds on Saturday morning. Outside of that, weekend's looking great. So as far as threat level for that cold front for strong storms, we're in a level 1 out of 5. The green here, the marginal risk level from the Storm Prediction Center, and a sliver there of Providence County in the yellow, which is the slight, level 2 out of 5 from the Storm Prediction Center. Threat levels aside, there will be a chance that some of these storms could contain some gusty winds or small hail. So we will be bringing you more on that threat as we get closer. Obviously, we'll fine-tune that threat a little more. It can be a little bit tougher for exact threat levels of severe weather until you get at least 24 hours out. We're still about 48 hours out from that event. 80 degrees on Saturday, lots of sun again, maybe a few clouds in the morning from that storm system passing offshore. And then Sunday, 78, mostly sunny, beautiful day here. Great weather to be outside, just very comfortable stuff for whatever you're doing on Father's Day. Now, as we head into Monday, it's not so bad, but coming up Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm going to show you, see that core of heat down over Texas right now, that pink color. Watch for that. So it is a little warmer and more humid the next couple of days. We'll get a dip in the jet stream here, allowing us to be drier and much more comfortable over the weekend. But look what happens. Look at that big surge to the north in the jet. And here comes the core of that heat settling right over the eastern third of the country. So we're going to have heat waves aplenty. There could be some record heat across much of the Northeast, and certainly a good possibility we get our first 90-degree day of the year here in Providence. 58, partly cloudy tonight. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, very warm, and a little bit more humid. Temperatures in the 80s away from the water. As we look forward here, we're going to cool things down a bit over the weekend after the passage of those storms, and then a great Father's Day weekend before the heat arrives into the midweek next week.